Welcome. If you've been getting constant alerts from Instagram about message requests and it's starting to get distracting, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable message request notifications on the Instagram app for PC with the new update. It only takes a few moments, and after this, you'll have fewer interruptions and more control over your notifications. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Give it a moment to load, and once you're on the main screen, look toward the bottom left corner. There, you'll see the More icon. Go ahead and click it. After selecting More, a menu will open up. From this list, choose Settings. This is where you'll find all the controls you need for customizing how Instagram communicates with you. Inside Settings, look for the Notifications section and click it. Next, select Push Notifications. This option manages all the alerts you get in real time, including likes, comments, follows, and of course, messages. Now, scroll down until you see the Message Requests option. By default, this is usually set to send you alerts whenever someone you don't follow reaches out. To turn them off, simply click and disable them from this menu. Once you do this, Instagram will no longer notify you when new message requests arrive. Don't worry, the requests will still be there in your inbox if you ever want to check them manually. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully turned off message request notifications on Instagram for PC. This is especially useful if you get lots of unwanted requests, or just prefer a cleaner, quieter experience while using the app. By customizing these settings, you're making sure that Instagram works for you instead of distracting you with notifications you don't really need. If later on you decide you want to re-enable them, simply go back into the same menu and switch them back on. Now you'll enjoy Instagram with fewer interruptions and more focus on the things that matter most to you.